Do you want to learn how to clone your voice for free on Hailuo AI? They have this new feature inside Hailuo AI, this audio feature, and they currently allow you to clone your voice for free. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. First, head over to hailuoai.video and click on audio, which is going to take you over to hailuo.ai/audio. Inside it, they have got this speech synthesis. So they're trying to compete with 11 labs. They've got more options here: spacious echo, auditorium echo, and a lot more. You can also select speed and pitch. This I've added here, a prompt, which is for AI video, but I've just added it just for a script purposes. And you can add some codes like this. For example, this one is a code which has this, and you can add the 0.5 seconds or 1.5. This is seconds. This is the amount of time it's going to have a pause between these lines. So after it says Cinderella, it's going to add a pause of 0.5 seconds and then start speaking that way. Now to clone your voice, click on voices on the left and it's going to take you over to here. I've already cloned my voice here. Take a listen to it.
Hello, I'm delighted to assist you with our voice services. Choose a voice that resonates with you, and let's begin our creative audio journey together.
Okay, that was my voice, and I'm not sure if it's exactly similar to it, but yeah, that's it. And if you want to do your own, if you want to clone your own voice, click here and you can drop a file. It can be 50 MB each. You can upload samples, so it can be 10 samples that you can upload, or you can record audio from here. So for example, in the name your voice, I can say solve base 2, and instead of uploading a file here, I'm going to go for record audio. You also have an option to remove background noise from audio samples. This is optional and may affect sound details, which means that if your audio has background noise in it and you try to remove it with the help of AI, it's going to have some artifacts in it. It can have, it's not exactly like that, but it can have. And I would not recommend clicking here. So let's record. Click on it. It's going to ask you for some permissions here. Enable all the permissions, and then you have to click again to record. For example, I'm going to record it live for you, and it has started recording. As you can see here, I'm going to speak these lines: natural landscapes like tropical beaches, snowy mountains. And now, as you can see, that recording has been done and it's uploaded to their servers. If you have spoke the language in any different language, you can select from here on the drop down. I'm just going to choose English and I hereby confirm. This basically means like, are you confirming that this voice is your own? Or many people do scams with these things, so you need to tick this option that this does not infringe on others' rights. Now click on convert. It's going to start converting that audio and AI generated audio out of your own voice.
I'm delighted to assist you with our voice services. Choose a voice that resonates with you, and let's begin our creative audio journey together.
Okay, these two have very different the type of voice in it, and I'm not sure which one sounds similar to me. Let me know in the comments. I am not sure, but this is how you can create a voice clone in Hailuo AI. Now if I go to text to speech, I can select my voice by clicking on switch voice, and in my voices you're going to see your cloned voice in here. You can switch between these by clicking on use button, or you can delete them as well. In library, if you select button, which looks like a bookmark option, it's going to be added to your voices as well. And that's it. This is how to clone your voice for free on Hailuo AI. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.